What's up, scholars? Today we're talking about segment addition. This is one of the beautiful math topics that is exactly what it sounds like. We're going to take some segments and we're going to add them together. We know what a segment is. For example, segment AB starts at A, goes to B. There we go. Let's add another segment right next to it. Let's maybe add segment BC. We took two segments, one AB and BC, and then we together made a new segment, a super long one from A to C. So again, we added segment AB plus segment BC to make a brand new segment AC. That's the crux of this whole thing, adding two segments together. As long as the middle point is part of each of the two smaller segments, you can make one giant big segment. Now let's add some numbers to it. Let's say that segment AB is 2 units long, and segment BC is 3 units long. How long would AC be? Well, we can plug our stuff in here. AB is 2 and BC is 3. That means segment AC is going to be, you guessed it, 5 units long. Ta-da! We just did some segment addition. All right, let's do another example. Let's say point E is on segment DF. What? I already don't know what we're talking about because I don't have a picture. Let's draw a picture. Sounds like we have segment DF, starts at D, ends at F, and point E is somewhere on that segment. Let's put it somewhere in between. All right, now this is better. Point E is on segment DF. Given that EF is 16, I'm going to put a 16 here, and DF, the whole thing, is 19. Find DE. You might be able to do this one without writing out an equation, but I'm going to write out an equation just in case. I know that I just added a small segment DE plus another small segment EF. I added DE plus EF to get this whole long segment, DF. And now I can put in my numbers. DE, I don't know what it is. That's what we're looking for. I know EF is 16, and I know DF is 19. Now this is definitely clear. I know what I'm doing. I'm going to subtract 16 on both sides, and I'll get DE equals 3. That's what we're looking for. For all these questions, I would highly recommend drawing your picture, write out your letter equation, and then plug in the stuff that you know to solve for your unknown. Let's do one more example. All right, this question looks like it's got some algebra in it, but that's not too scary. We can handle it. This says point C is on segment BD. What do I need? A picture. Yes. So I've got segment BD. I've got C somewhere on that segment. Okay. So I know my letter equation is going to be BC plus CD. BC plus CD equals the whole long segment BD. All right, great first start. Now it says, given that BC is x plus 4, I'm going to put that in my BC spot, x plus 4, plus CD is equal to 5x. All of that equals BD, which is equal to 5x plus 7. Okay, so I've now turned my letter equation into an algebraic equation. And we're going to find CD by first solving for x. And then we'll plug it in. So using our algebra rules, let's combine some like terms. I've got two x's there, so this is going to be 6x plus that 4 is still here, equals 5x plus 7. Let's subtract 5x on both sides, and I'll get x plus 4 equals 7, and I'll subtract 4 on both sides. So then I have x equals 3, and we said at the very beginning that CD equaled what? 5x. So I'm going to plug 3 in for x in 5x. You just rewrite CD equaled 5x. So CD equals 5 times 3, because we solved for x already. So CD must equal 15. Et voila. That's it. That's segment addition in a nutshell. Let's recap. What did we do? We had two smaller segments, AB and BC. We added them up to make a big segment, AC. We made a letter equation out of this situation, AB plus BC equals AC. And then sometimes we've got numbers we can plug in to figure out how long the long segment is or the short segment is. We did an example where, again, we were just given the word, so the first thing we did was drew a picture and then made our letter equation off of that picture and plugged in the things that we knew to solve for our unknown. And we did it one more time with some aljabber. Again, we didn't have a picture at the beginning. Draw a picture. Make your letter equation off of that picture. BC plus CD equals BD. Plug in the stuff that you know. Solve for your variable if you need to, and plug your variable into the expression you're looking for. That's it. Love you so much, scholars. Keep on that hustle, and I'll see you next time.